As always, this detailed review is brought to you by BrainyBuyer.com. Shop smarter. Be a brainy buyer.
Hey, I'm looking at these two Charbroil grills, the Grill2Go X200, BOOBFPMLI8, and the Performance 4-burner, B08T59FKTH. What's the deal?
All right. So the Grill2Go is your portable buddy, right? It's small, like 20 pounds, runs on a 1-pound propane tank, and has 200 square inches of cooking space.
Okay, compact. What about the other one?
The Performance 4-burner is a full-sized grill. It weighs 70 pounds, uses a standard 20-pound propane tank, and boasts a whopping 550 square inches of cooking area. Huge difference.
Yeah, that's a big jump. What about power?
The Grill2Go has a 9,500 BTU burner, which is decent for its size. The 4-burner has a 10,000 BTU side burner, plus 4 main burners. So, way more heat output overall.
Gotcha. So portable versus stay-at-home. What about cooking tech?
Both use Charbroil's TRU-Infrared system, which is supposed to eliminate flare-ups and cook food more evenly. The 4-burner also has a chef's delight tray for delicate foods.
Cool, a little extra. Anything else that sets them apart?
The Grill2Go is super basic, stainless steel grate, push-button ignition, temperature gauge. Easy peasy. The 4-burner has a side shelf, a side burner, and is gear tracks ready for accessories.
Okay, so the 4-burner is more customizable. What about the downsides?
Well, the Grill2Go can get really hot, according to reviews. Some folks say you need experience to manage the heat. And it's small, so don't plan on grilling for a crowd. The 4-burner? It's currently unavailable. Plus it's big and heavy, so moving it isn't a breeze.
Makes sense. So if I want to grill for camping or tailgating, the Grill2Go wins?
Absolutely. But if you want a full-featured grill for your backyard and cookouts, and you can find one in stock, the 4-burner is the way to go. It's about choosing the right tool for the job, and where you plan to use it the most.
Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.